Lived my life inside a fuse box, put my doubts up on the stage, stored our secrets in the basement, a mason jar of jealousy and rage. All this dust, it will destroy you. The photographs, they make it hard for you to breathe. Throw your pennies to the mice and lock the door tight when you leave. I've been thinking you should settle down. Send a postcard when you do. I'll let the angels know you'll be around, just in case they